Okay, I'm doing two presentations. One is introducing a joint project we have at the OECD with the World Bank, which is called the Innovation Policy Platform. In fact, this was a project that I first presented 5 years ago here at the Higher School of Economics at a conference. And today I was giving an update on this and actually a presentation of the site itself, which has now been in existence for a couple of years. Tomorrow I'll make a presentation which is more substantive, talking about some of the major trends in public sector research.
All right. What issues did you discuss at the conference?
Well, today's, it was a presentation of a website, which is it's a major resource. I think is very useful for the global policy analyst community. Tomorrow, I hope to talk a lot about the trends, the big trends that are affecting research systems that are important in innovation policy.
Could you please describe main features of your projects?
The projects I do now at the OECD. Okay, yes, well, half of the time I'm spending on this innovation policy platform, which is, as I say, a joint project with the World Bank. Until recently, I was working on the country reviews of innovation policy, which are an OECD flagship product. 5 years ago, in fact, I was part of a team that did a review of the Russian Federation. But recently I no longer work on that area. Now I'm working, at least temporarily, on the STI Outlook, which is another one of our flagships. And specifically I'm working on a forward look component on that. So one of the criticisms of the Outlook over the years is that it hasn't looked very much into the future. Maybe it looks a little bit to the past. And so what we've tried to do is to stretch the time horizons to 10 to 15 years into the future. And to have a look, peer into the future to see what's there and what's important for STI policymakers to take on board.